Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm TALPERS of TALPERS Education and welcome to my PowerPoint. Today we're going to be doing simple addition in the Math 101 section of the class. So let's start off with what do you know? We're going to get a kind of a baseline here. John and Mark, both typical names, both have a single or one cookie. If they combine their cookies together, how many do they have? Hint, the equation for this question is 1 plus 1 equals. Now, I'm going to ask you to pause the video right now and look at it on your own and try to solve the question before I explain it. Alright, assuming you paused it and you're back now, let's go on to the next slide. So, there are two easy ways to find the answer. If you know other ones, good job. But here's the two easiest ways, in my opinion. Number one, a simple way is to use your fingers. Put one finger up on one hand. This represents John's one cookie. Now, on your other hand, put up another finger. This is representing Mark's cookie. Now, take the one from John and put it onto Mark's hand. And now, how many fingers are you holding up on Mark's hand? 2. That's how many you have with both of theirs together. Now, another way is if you look at pictures. Now, if you're this kind of person that likes looking at visuals and working on it, this is your way. So, you can see we have 2 cookies on the screen. So, 1 plus 1 equals how many cookies are on the screen, which is, again, 2. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's move out of this and into the boring chart tables. I advise you guys before I make it, or when I make it there, to pause the video, look at each one, and think, and really think. Alright, so here's the tables 1 through 5. Now, the blue numbers indicate what the core number is. So, 1, then 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, it's going to be 1 plus something, 1 plus something, 2 plus something, 3 plus something, 4 plus something, 5 plus something. Now, the one underneath the blue is what number you're adding it by. Now, it's got every number from 1 to 10, which is all we're covering here, except for 0. Because 1 plus 0, or anything plus 0 is going to be the same number. So, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 1, and etc. Now, the one underneath that is the answer. So, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So, if we're looking right here, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And like that, so on. Now, I advise you to take a pause right now, take a picture, take a mental note, write it down for yourself. I find that writing things always makes me remember it more. And kind of work on this, do a little bit of practice here and there. Before we move on to the next slide, which is 6 to 10. So it works exactly the same way as the last one did. So 6 and 1 equals 7, 6 and 2 equals 8, 7 and 1 equals 8, 7 and 2 equals 9, things like that. And you may have noticed a little pattern. So if we go back, it's a little easier in the 1 to 5 tables. So if you notice that it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is your answer pattern. Next time it goes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now there's two interesting things about that. That no matter which number you go up by, the difference between the... I just noticed that one's wrong right here. It should be 3 and 2, guys. Sorry, 3 and 2, not 3 and 3. 3 and 2. But it goes up by 1. And the next one is a 1 higher total than the last one did. So two interesting things there. Oh, that one's also supposed to say 2, and that one's also supposed to say 2. Whoops. So, now that you've got this hopefully hand out, we're going to do a little bit of a show what you know. So, let's check your understanding. Sydney has 5 horses, and Linda has 2 horses. How many horses are there in total? I'd like you guys to pause the video, think about it in your head, and then once I come back, I'm going to tell you guys the answer. Alright, assuming that you've just paused the video and come back, here we go. 5 horses, and you can use your fingers again. 5 horses and 2 horses. If you put them together, how many do you have? 7. That's correct. If you said 7, you're right. If you said anything other than 7, not quite. But if you went back in the video a little earlier and you looked at your tables, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now it says 5 plus 3 equals 7. And 5 plus 3 equals 8. But this one's supposed to say 2. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I'd like to thank you guys for joining me for Simple Addition. And now everything suddenly got laggy. Thanks for watching. I'd like to thank you guys for joining me today at Simple addition, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to both TALPERS Education and TALPERS our gaming channel. I'd like you guys to check out the next video, Oxygen/O2 Science 1, taught by the great Dinomat7. And I want you guys to watch the last video, Intro to the American Revolution, History 101. Actually, no, that's not correct. Last video would be Common Grammar Mistakes, LA 101. That's my bad. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you guys work on your simple addition, and I'll see you guys next time for... I teach history, so I'll see you guys next time for during the American Revolution. Bye!